In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as your planner 5 minutes. We're going to turn your Trello board into a simple visual planner so you can see tasks on a calendar and manage your time with drag and drop ease. Start by logging into Trello and opening a board you want to plan from. This can be an existing board or a fresh one. If you're new, any board with lists and cards works fine. The important part is that your tasks exist as cards so you can schedule them. On your board, look for the planner option, usually at the bottom. It often appears as a calendar-style icon. Click the planner icon to open the side panel. You'll see a calendar view where your work and schedule come together. If you haven't already, connect your calendar, such as Google Calendar, follow the prompts, grant permissions, and confirm your time zones so events land at the right times. You can choose which calendars to show to reduce clutter. Now, find the card you want to schedule on your board. It helps if the card has a clear title and any key details in the description so you know what you're placing on your calendar. Click and drag the card from the board and drop it onto the specific day and time slot in the calendar view. Trello will highlight the slot to confirm where it will go. Release, and you're set. The card will appear on your calendar and automatically set a due date and time in Trello. That means your board and calendar are in sync, and any due date automations or reminders you use can kick in. If the duration isn't quite right, click and drag the bottom edge of the event to extend or shorten it. This is great for longer work blocks or quick tasks. To change the date or time entirely, just drag the event to a new position on the calendar. It's fast, and you'll see the due date update on the card immediately. When you're finished with a task, click the event and select Mark Complete. This updates the card in Trello without deleting it from the calendar, so you still have a record of it. If you prefer to remove it from the calendar only, click the event and choose to delete it there. That will clear it from the calendar, but keep the original card on your Trello board. And that's it. Log in, open your board, use the planner, connect your calendar, drag cards to schedule, adjust as needed, mark complete, or remove from the calendar while keeping your cards safe.